Hello, welcome back to another After Effects video. Today I'm looking at motion blur. Typically with motion blur, the normal, I believe, is shutter angle is 180 and then you want a half and then do a negative on that. So if it was 300, it would be minus 150 for the shutter phase. That seems to be the sort of things you can do. Samples per frame, I'm going to actually bump that up. All right. So with motion blur, we can press this button here, enables motion blur, and then we can put it on here. So that will put motion blur onto the layer. I think also having very good high samples per frame is also pretty handy. So you can see that gives you a lot more motion blur. I wonder if the polygon looks better rotating. I'm just like if it has more points or what. What about, let's just try with the triangle to start with, actually. Are we in real time yet? Let's try full. I just want to see it if I can. You want to get on with the rendering, bro? There you go. Yeah, and again, just to illustrate the importance of this point, we're very high showing, so we're getting a very high motion blur effect. If we did something much lower, so this is, I think, below what you would ever want to do. Let's say like that. This is, it should be quite stark contrast now. Yeah, you can see just how different, how big the contrast